I've tried almost every natural fertilizer hack you can think of, from banana peels to worm tea, but garlic water, that one caught me by surprise. After hearing countless gardeners rave about its ability to repel pests and supercharge plant growth, I decided to run my own 10-day garlic water experiment. The results, honestly, shocking. I started by preparing a simple garlic water mixture, 3 large cloves of garlic blended with 1 liter of water, then strained and diluted with another liter of clean water. The smell? Let's just say it could scare off vampires, and maybe a few neighbors too. I watered my tomato plants, basil, and a few leafy greens with this solution. The first 2 days, not much seemed to change. The plants looked normal. No visible growth spurts, no drooping, just steady. But I noticed something subtle. No insects hovering around the leaves. Usually I'd see a few aphids or whiteflies, especially on the basil, but they were gone. Garlic's natural sulfur compounds were already doing their work as a mild pesticide and antifungal agent. By the 3rd day the soil smelled fresher, the garlic odor faded quickly, replaced by a clean, earthy scent. My tomato leaves started to look noticeably greener and glossier, a sign that the plants were getting trace minerals and sulfur from the garlic-infused water. So, garlic's sulfur actually helps plants absorb nitrogen more efficiently, which, really boosts chlorophyll production. That means greener, healthier growth all around. The basil plants, wow, they perked up too, putting out new, bright green leaves. But honestly, the biggest surprise came on day 5. There was just no sign of fungal spots at all. Usually, with our humid evenings, I'd start seeing powdery mildew by now. Not this time though. Garlic's antifungal properties seem to be building up a natural defense layer right on the leaves. Around day 6, things just got wild. The tomato plants grew nearly an inch taller in just 2 days, and my lettuce leaves looked way fuller and crisper. Even the soil, it seemed more alive, teeming with all these small decomposers that really thrive when the environment is balanced. I think the garlic acted as a microbial activator, encouraging beneficial bacteria to thrive. That's something most gardeners don't realize. Garlic water doesn't just protect plants, it can actually improve the microbial diversity in your soil, making it more fertile over time. The best part? The pests were still gone. No gnaw marks, no aphids, no slugs. It was like garlic created an invisible force field around my plants. By day 10, my small garden bed looked completely different. The plants were healthier, stronger, and greener than ever. The tomato stems had thickened, basil leaves had doubled in size, and the lettuce was ready for harvest, crisp, vibrant, and chemical-free. I even noticed that the soil retained moisture longer, possibly because healthy microbes improved its texture and structure. The garlic water hadn't just boosted growth, it seemed to revitalize the entire ecosystem. So, let's talk about how to make garlic water fertilizer. Here's what you'll need: 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 liter of water, plus another liter for dilution. Alright, first things first. Blend up some garlic with 1 liter of water. Once that's done, go ahead and strain the mixture through a cloth or a fine sieve. Next, add another liter of clean water to your strained mixture. Now, let it sit for somewhere between 6 to 12 hours before you use it. So, water your plants at the base every 3 to 4 days for best results. Pro tip: avoid spraying directly on delicate leaves during midday sun. The garlic oils can cause mild burn. Morning or evening is best. After just 10 days I was convinced, garlic water is honestly one of the most underrated plant tonics out there. It's free, natural, and safe. It strengthens plants, deters pests, and supports soil life, all without chemicals or commercial fertilizers. If you want a simple way to supercharge your garden naturally, skip the expensive products and give garlic water a try. Your plants and your soil will definitely thank you.